So in this video, I just wanted to show y'all some more flowers I want to put in my backyard. If y'all saw my last video, I added some roses. And bro, that's just simple. I want to add more in my backyard. Make it nice and beautiful. Actual garden, not just roses. So with that said, I got some more plants, some more seeds. And this video, I'm going to show y'all from seed to flower as much as I can. Alright, let's get right to it. Starting with some random bulbs I found. Some were broken bulbs. I just threw them in the hole and hoped for the best. I mixed some all-purpose soil because my natural soil is clay. So it's very tough for roots to grow inside clay or for water to escape, causing rotten roots. I'm excited to see what these flowers are. I also want to create a wildflower section, so I loosened up the soil on the area and poked a few holes for the seeds to go into. I got a ton of wildflowers from a work event. They gave me about 5 or 6 bags and I tossed all of them in my garden hoping for the best, honestly. Then I bought this Texas wildflower seed, expecting that I don't need to do much for the soil because it's for Texas, and Texas has clay soil. If it's wildflower, it shouldn't be hard for it to grow. So I didn't do much. Just fertilize, water, and hope for the best. Nope. Fail. I wasn't gonna give up, so I started over. This time I got rid of all the grass, dug a few inches around the bed, added soil to loosen the natural clay soil, added some cow manure for nutrients, and I added some compost. Mix, mix, mix. I put some temporary barriers around it and dropped a few more wildflower seeds. I had to water the bed a little more often because it was summertime and you want to let the seeds stay moist. I see a little bit, small little bits coming out right there. And right there. I don't know if that's grass or one of them. Ooh, the lilies are opening. I call them lilies because I think that's what these are. We got pink, red, and white right there. Those will open as it gets darker outside. Sweet potatoes, some flower, I forgot what it was, and our wildflower section right here. It's going good pretty much. If y'all seen any of the other garden videos, check them out. I'll link them down below. And these plants I think are the same as back here, but they're growing a lot faster. Check it out. And I'm trying my little compost site right there too. Might as well. My own way. How hard can nature be, dog? People be putting how-to so much. Like compost is literally 3 ingredients. You don't have to think too much about it. It's like when people think too much about it and don't have patience, that's when they mess up. So patience is key. This is gonna help with patience, bodybuilding, patience, and then keep putting the effort. So there's some tragic news. I hope you guys have been enjoying this video, even though this one's not like, you know, a step to step or anything. It's just you guys checking out how my plants went from seed to flower. But what sucks is most of the footage that I had was on my last Apple laptop, and after 5 years or whatever, it is infamous or famous, which I found out later, where it just turns off on you and doesn't work. And that was the month I had of all my last month of the prep for my competition, my first competition. All my videos for that month was on there and it's all gone. Apple said it would take more money to fix it than just to buy a new laptop. So that's what I did, because obviously I have work to do. Later, hopefully I can fix it and regain all that footage. But what sucks is also the gardening footage was on there. So can't show y'all how I planted this, but I can show you how they look 5 to 6 months later. Even the sweet potato plant is flowering. Check it out. These pink flowers are the same breed, but depending on how much energy they can get, meaning water, nutrients, they create different amount of petals on them. These are a lot, and I love the ones that can create many. The wildflower section was kind of a fail. Only these little sunflower looking ones came, these little ones. Kind of dead now. And these little white flowers grew. That's about it. Nothing else. Oh, there's nothing but grass coming down. So I put cardboard on here. The cardboard is basically to kill anything that's green down there. Don't give it real oxygen. And I'm gonna start over with this section. The potatoes, y'all saw the video. It failed. And I put in the purple potatoes I've had. That's what's in here. Quick new update of new dirt that I've been making. You know, just soil. Here's a few more. That's pretty. And then I don't know what's growing down here. I think we planted this a long time ago and it's barely came to life. some wildflowers in the back. This is where the lilies were. At this point, they are done for. Yeah. I have this green thing to remember where it's at right here in case it grows again next year. Who knows? And I got this new plant right here now. Can't wait for it to bloom. And here's the upcoming section that y'all will see soon, because if y'all can't tell, I'm back at it. I'm rocking these videos out. Garden, fitness, everything, anything I do. I even got a new car now, so y'all will see all about that. Hint, don't use gas no more. So there's a lot of projects for that one too. You know, it's really suck that the footage was lost, because I was literally keeping an update for the whole steps as the morning glory and the lily and the little wildflower, whatever flowers were growing. I was showing y'all step by step and it's gone, bro. I was doing so good. I'm not gonna take this as a failure. I still want to show you how these flowers came out, so here's the video. They're nice, right? They're pretty nice. I showed you that it's possible. I'm not a gardener. I made some flowers happen. Stage 1. Now, stage 2, this new section I'm building that I showed you a little clip of. I can show you a step by step for that one. And we're gonna try it again with different flowers. It's pretty easy, bro. So if you're starting off on this gardening stuff, you're just like me, bro. Don't hesitate. Do it. You don't need to hire nobody. Don't waste your money on that. You got other stuff you can do. Unless you're rich and you can just throw money at whatever. Do you. But it's also fun, you know, gardening a little bit yourself. It's work. Takes time. But you doing the process builds a character. So, thank you guys for watching. Watch the next video of me doing the potatoes. If you have time, watch that next video. I'm explaining why I haven't been posting fitness, what happened. Anyways, Future Nadeem, out. I'll see y'all there.